Hey everyone, welcome to the final video of the year. In this video, I'll be showcasing most of the builds I made ever since I started the channel back in June. I gifted or donated some of them, and unlike most people, I tend not to get attached to my creations all that much. I eventually run out of space to display and store them. Also, giving them away pushes me into making new and better ones. So let's start with the first one. In this Band of Brothers scene, the figures should be the other way around, as it was in the show's 6th episode. And there should have been a wrecked German Kübelwagen in the background, instead of bugs and crate clutter. We came to that conclusion later on in the comments of that video. Next is the scratchbuild mech diorama. The only two things I would have done would be to add a second and third tone of ground flocking. And some sort of an item in its empty hand would add an extra detail, like maybe dragging something behind it, or carrying a secondary weapon or an ammunition cartridge, I don't know. With this shelter diorama, I think I should have added a handle to open it up easier. And the only other thing would be to keep its ceiling thicker, to somehow give it a more built-in underground feeling. Sadly, this dragon diorama sooner or later will have to be thrown out, as I didn't place it properly on the base and the wings extend outwards too much for me to build a display case over it. There's so much dust building up on it and no way to clean it properly. But well, I can always make one more. The second Band of Brothers diorama is displaying a scene from episode 3. It was kind of hard to make as I had to use 4 buildings with cutout sections. It just looks weird overall. As you can see, the border bricks on the building and even the cobblestones on the road just don't scale well with the figures. But this diorama taught me how to make small scale posters and road signs, so that's a win for me. In my second medieval tower diorama, one of the things I could have done differently is to paint this tent with a different color combination and add moss and leaves over it to make it more weathered down. And would have definitely done a better job with the flag posts. For the ritual diorama, I wish I had a larger size of foam at hand at that time, so I could have made the base about half the size bigger, as it looks all cramped up right now. For my sci-fi cargo ship diorama, I think I could have added more stencil details on the floor other than the no landing warning. And would have added concrete or metallic platform for the back and front of it. Even maybe make a wall behind it. As for the prisoner transport ambush diorama, I would have added one more, maybe a bit smaller tree, and made the prisoner's cage a bit lower in height in order to make it look more realistic in scale. For Tiny, I'm happy that I gave it a name. I wish I made the turret a centimeter or so lower. That would look more realistic, I guess. And I would keep the number of steps fewer. I really enjoyed the process of making this crawler. Sadly, it was the worst performing video I've ever uploaded to the channel. The only thing I would have done differently with this is to make the tree thicker. I made this almost 70-second scale tank and never recorded it. And made this little robot this year just before I started the channel. And as an off project or side hobby if you will, I turned a pair of drawing mannequins into an angel and a demon figure as a New Year's gift. Thank you all for your support in 2022. Have a great New Year's Eve and I'll see you all soon.